If you want to see how I'm creating this, how I created, because I done did it, this eyeshadow look I got going on right here, don't mind this right here, we have a small malfunction, but how I created this eyeshadow look using the Morphe 35O2 palette. Keep on watching and subscribe to my channel because that'd make me really happy. Really happy. Happy, happy, happy. Okay, I'm done being dumb. I'm done being dumb. If you want to see how I made this eyeshadow look, keep on watching. Okay. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35O2 palette. I just got this. Oh, I scraped it with my nail. My nails. 2 of my nails have fallen off, so let's just ignore that. But I'm going to be using this bad boy because I love it, and I just got it like a week ago, and it's my favorite thing in the world right now. Okay, let's scoot in and let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with the color. I already put a base down, by the way, on my eyes because the concealer was creasing too quick. So I'm gonna start using this NYX fluffy brush I have. It doesn't really have a number, but it's just this fluffy brush. It's dirty. I need to clean it. Sorry. Okay, and we're gonna start with using the color Universal right here in our crease. Ooh, we're just gonna blend that up in the crease and kind of bring it up to the brow, not too close, but pretty up in there. I need to find a better sitting position. And then we're gonna take Heat. Oh, it's right here on the same fluffy brush. And go on the outer corner and bring that up some too. Get a little bit more on my brush and bring that in the crease, not going as high as we did with the other color. Okay, done with that. Now on a Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to take Fire. It's fiery up in here. I'm gonna take that. This palette is big. Like, I knew they were big, but I didn't think it was gonna be this big. And I'm gonna take that in my crease as well. Wow. I like this. Oh, it's bright. It's really freaking bright. Holy crap. Now I'm gonna take that that NYX brush again. I'm gonna wipe it off because it's dirty. Oh, it's a little dirty. And just go over the edges. I don't know if y'all can hear this music in the background, but someone is playing music loud in the living room. I think it's Logan Paul or Jake Paul. I really don't know the difference between the two. I don't like this music I'm hearing. I'm just gonna keep blending that out. That looks pretty. Am I even in focus? Oh. Sorry, there's a mirror over here that I'm looking into, and I have a mirror over here I'm looking into. I'm gonna put some more of that fire color on this brush right here, and put some more because I really like that color. I like that. Oh, now they're playing Gucci Gang. Okay. Now I'm going to use another brush, if I can find one. Okay, and I don't even know what kind of brush this is, let's be honest. It's just like a little smaller brush. And I'm going to take this color. It's called Chestnut. Chestnut. I'm going to take Chestnut on this brush right here. Okay. And go in the inner corner right here, and like I'm gonna make a new crease for myself because I don't like my crease. It's like too low. I don't like it. So I'm gonna do like that and round it off like so. You don't want to take too much because I don't want to mess it up. But it's gonna look something like that. And take a little bit more. Now, I'm gonna take this out of my mouth. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. It's just a blending brush and it's dirty, I know. But we're gonna go over that chestnut color we put down so it's not such a harsh line. I hear someone come into my room, and that was my mommy. She came to ask me something. Okay, now I'm gonna take a concealer brush, and if I can find it, I just had it, I promise. I don't know what I did with it. I really need to clean out my brushes. They're so like, oh look, I see it. Where's it at? Oh, that was great. But they're all just dirty. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape in medium to cut my crease. Put a little bit on the back of my hand right there. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna use this to cut out my crease. I feel like I need to be like more right here instead of up there. Okay. This makes my eyes look slightly swollen. but that's okay. I'm gonna take that same brush I used for my concealer, and I'm gonna take Pure right here, and I'm gonna follow where I put that concealer. I'm gonna top that with this Eclipse color right here in the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit. I'm gonna put a little bit on my brush, and then I'm gonna get it wet so it's a little bit more shiny. I'm gonna take a little bit more. I'm gonna take some of this Luna right here and put it on my brow bone. Right there. Whoo! Mama, that's blinding. I'm gonna go over the edge of that with this fluffy brush that's still dirty. Okay, I gotta put a little bit more stuff. I'm not done. Oh my goodness. This was stuck to my table. I don't even know like how. Okay. Some white liquid eyeliner. And here's for the hard part. If you thought that was hard, the hard part, you were wrong. This is gonna be the hard part. It's gonna be fun. Okay, now I'm gonna go over this line I've created lightly and gently. Let me find a better way to sit to get a good angle. Yeah, I'm gonna use this mirror instead. I feel like that's gonna be easier for me. Oh, I just realized I had this in the way of my camera. Crap. There's that. Okay. Now I'm going to take some gold liquid eyeliner that's glitter. And we're going to top that white with it. While I'm editing this, I just realized that palette was in the way again, so I'm sorry about that. Just, you know, I just went over it with black eyeliner on. Glitter liquid eyeliner. I'm going to go in with the Stila All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. And we're going to just mess up what we just did. Okay. I actually like what we did there. I'm gonna let that dry so not to mess it all up. Okay, let me go do the other eye. Try to recreate this mess. And I'll be right back. Oh! Okay, to finish off my eyes, I'm gonna go back into this Morphe 35O2 palette. And I'm gonna take some fire on this little blending brush. And I'm just gonna go under my eye on my lower lash line, keeping it concentrated really close to my lash line. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take some gel eyeshadow, if I can find it. Okay, it's a black cream eyeshadow right here. It looks like this. And I'm going to, I have this old liquid eyeliner brush I like to use to dip into it with. I'm gonna go in it with into my waterline. Now I'm gonna take this little black angled brush and I'm gonna go between, like, just rub it in so that there's not like a gap between my eyelashes and where the liner is. I'm just gonna smudge it in a little bit. And then I'm gonna take this Aurora glow kit again, and I'm gonna put a little bit of it onto brush. I'm gonna take Eclipse right here, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. Right there. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face and put on some mascara and eyelashes and lipstick, and I'll be right back. This is the final look. My hair's a mess, but we're gonna ignore that. I had a slight malfunction. I got a little eyelash glue in my eye. It was watering. Stuff was crazy. It went everywhere. But I really like how it turned out. You know, I'm not sure exactly what I'm calling this yet. I guess we'll find out. So if you like this video, subscribe, because that will make me happy. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy, happy. Anyways, so I think I like it, you know, it's cute, whatever. My highlight, that's the poppin'. So anyways, if you want to see more, subscribe and follow me on my social medias, which will be linked down below. So do that, because that's why I'm here, so you can see me do cool stuff with makeup. Thank you.